to show you how to add a delivery surcharge for a specific date. Say, for example, that you want a specific delivery amount for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. This is the way to do it. Start by going to your dashboard, then clicking Settings, Delivery Options, scroll till you see Date Surcharges. So then go Add Date Surcharge. So we're going to go Valentine's Day delivery. We're going to go $50. You can choose whether this is an additional cost on top of your already defined delivery costs for a suburb, a postcode, or whether it's instead of that cost. Then choose the date. So let's go and we'll choose the 14th of February and save changes, and that's it. So when they choose that delivery date, they will be charged this amount on top of the delivery charge that's been charged.